Hello beautiful, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Mikienne. So today I'm going to share for you natural hair braids that I did to my several two clients that I always do it for them. So the frontal part, I've shown you this part. I decided to do natural, so this hand part I decided to do it again natural. Why did I do lines behind? Because she was avoiding some pimples and avoiding big knotless of braids behind her back, behind her nape of head. So that's why we decided to go with lines behind. And this one, she wanted to regrow her natural, she wanted to regrow her frontal part, her hairline. So she wanted to make sure that her hairline has come to body, to bring the crown of a lady, right? So we decided to do the frontal part, small lines like that one, very natural, very smooth light, very demure. The crown of herself has come to unleash itself. So as you can see, that's the beauty of a woman. And we decided to go that way, and right now this is the second time. And what I like about this hairstyle is that it makes it many. The hair grows a lot, it grows in bulk, it doesn't fade off, it just go natural, she just goes natural. So as you can see, you can't see the back part. After I've done, you can't see the back part, you can't see the lines that were done behind her head, right? So girls, don't forget to subscribe. I'll show you details on how to go natural, how to do these natural braids, how to start, how to go about them. So stay in touch and don't forget to subscribe. And those who have subscribed, thank you for subscribing, thank you for 1,000 subscribers. All I want is you to press the like button, and don't forget to share, comment which hairstyle you want us to do, which natural hairdo you want us to do, which one you want to learn very fast, because it's easy to learn when you are easy to watch.